In this video, we show you the application of primer, which is detectable under UV light for a better process control. Before opening a fresh new bottle, make sure to note the opening date. In this example, a standard black primer is applied first to a metal sheet and a black ceramic-coated glass. You note immediately that the black primer is not notable on the black background visually by eye. The same we do with a primer which is visible under the UV light. The primers are being let to flash off according to the product datasheet and the processing times. In order to control the application and processes, a UV light source is needed. With that, the application can be detected even on black backgrounds. This ensures correctness and quality of automated processes. Thank you for watching the video.